Animal alphabet representation. A is for ant. B is for butterfly. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for newt. O is for owl. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for sheep. T is for turtle. U is for Uriel. V is for vulture. W is for warriors. X is for Xenops. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.